What's up guys, Sal here. So the future of the Galaxy Note 22 has been up in the air for a while now, with a number of conflicting reports, some of which claim we'll see a Galaxy Note in 2022 and others saying we won't see another model at all. But beatsbyNeVs put these reports to rest when he revealed that the Galaxy Note 22 actually exists, as someone in the supply chain has seen the evidence of the next Galaxy Note. Samsung neither confirmed or denied the rumors, possibly because Samsung has a major shakeup to their flagship lineup next year. beatsbyNeVs has given some updates regarding the future of the Galaxy Note 22, where he says the Galaxy Note is over, but it's not over. S becomes Note.
What the does that even mean?
Well, let me explain. He's basically saying Samsung has decided to merge the Galaxy S and Note lineup together. He gave additional information about this on Weibo, where he says instead of launching the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung will launch the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra instead. This means there will be 3 devices getting launched in January in about 3 months. The Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra or Note 22 Ultra. We don't exactly know what the naming scheme is gonna be, but this S22 Ultra or Note 22 Ultra is gonna have a dedicated slot to keep the S Pen, just like the previous Galaxy Notes, something which isn't possible on the S21 Ultra. Also, a lot of people love the Galaxy Note's boxy design, and I have some great news for them as well. This S22 Ultra or Note 22 Ultra will have the signature boxy design of the Note. It won't be round like the S series device. In fact, beatsbyNeVs says it won't exactly be a right-angled rectangular design like the one on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but it won't be like the S21 Ultra either. It's gonna be a cross between the two. If I were to guess, it should look like the Galaxy Note 9 but with an edge-to-edge display. If you remember, a few days ago we got information that Samsung has decided to make the S22 lineup wider than the S21 lineup, and now we know exactly why. They want to fit the S Pen inside, and making the phone wider is the one way to do it. Of course, they can fit the S Pen inside a narrow body like the S21 Ultra as well, but to do that, one key component of a phone has to be compromised, and it's the battery. So it's highly appreciated that Samsung has chosen to make the phone wider instead, while keeping the same battery capacity, which is going to be 5000 mAh. With that said, I'm pretty happy with the new developments. I mean, we've discussed here multiple times that Samsung should just replace the Galaxy S Ultra model with the Note Ultra model instead of just scrapping the Note altogether. That way everyone will be happy, and it's about time that is finally happening. Now, some of you might say that why even merge? They can keep 3 events a year, January for the S series, August for the Fold series, and in between for the Note. But the problem with this approach is it's hard to keep up with the schedule. The smartphone market is saturated, it's already hard for them to differentiate the devices year over year, so launching 2 practically identical devices will only make you lose interest over time. Plus, now that foldables are successful, they should divert more of their resources towards improving foldable phones which truly appeal to flagship buyers. Anyway, let me know what you think about the merger of the S and Note series in the comments down below. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.